Harvard scientists have recently found that this ingredient in some toothpastes can quickly accumulate under your gums and eat at the roots of your teeth, leading to severe tooth decay. Take a look at the ingredients in your toothpaste and check for this one. If you do, you might be at risk of extensive tooth decay and even tooth loss. A person had to undergo emergency dental surgery to remove the toxic buildup from their teeth, and dentists are expecting more cases like this one in the near future. Do not take any risks. Watch this video to find out what you should do right away if you already experience tooth decay. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.